Look, Randazzo did a fantastic job. He was prepared. He knew the answers. Whether the court accepts him or not is a different question. But he presented well. His argument was good. It goes to the basic fucking factors that have always applied to tort law. How can you be injured somewhere other than where you are? It's possible. If you have a contract in another state that gets fucked with, yes, of course you can be injured in that state. If you have serious business arrangements or some sort of private holdings, or maybe like you run properties or something, if you have something in another state that's getting fucked with, of course you can have damage in that other state. Montagraph doesn't have that. The closest thing he's alleged is that he has some server that he rents somewhere in Minnesota. Now, he has not said that that contract has been interfered with in any way, or that he's had any damage as a result of this, or that even that the server host has said, hey, what the fuck is up with this? He hasn't alleged any of that. So all of the damage to his reputation, which he says is defamation per se, so it's presumed, by the way, he hasn't proven anything, all of it is in Colorado. He has similarly alleged that I have sent my agents to stalk him and harass him and track him in Colorado, which isn't fucking true. He used photographs from before I had ever even encountered him and tried to convince the court that those are recent photographs that are my audience of loyal slaves who've gone to interfere with Montagraph's life. This guy's lied to the court so many fucking times, it's embarrassing. He's put that shit out there saying that I'm tracking him down through my audience in Colorado, which is bullshit. He's done all of this. He's telling the court and telling everybody that all the damage he sustained is in Colorado. His therapist's in Colorado. Everything's in Colorado. Except him, he's now in Illinois. But everything else is in Colorado. The stalking's in Colorado. The damage, everything's in Colorado. Until it's not convenient for it to be in Colorado, then it's somehow in Minnesota, which no one can explain because no one in Minnesota gives a shit about this fucking weirdo. And everything he says and I've said about him, he said way worse about me and several other people. The problem is the things that I've said about him are based on a decade of chatter about him, a decade of failed lawsuits trying to protect his reputation from this thing. You know why his lawsuits failed? Not good. Montagraph has a bad reputation. He built that reputation. He embraced it. He loved it. I love my reputation. I put it up against anybody. You want to come with me? I'll dox you in a second. Calls Fauci on the phone. He's a fucking weirdo. Nobody likes this guy. He's a fucking menace. And he preys on weak people on the internet. The problem is he preyed on an asshole. The asshole is me. I don't give a fuck what some weirdo from Colorado says. I'll call out my FBI contact. You don't have FBI contacts. You're a fucking loser. Broadcasting from a TJ Maxx dressing room because you can't find anywhere else. You're embarrassing, dude. But fuck you anyway. There's a reason this guy has the reputation he has. And by the way, the reputation that he has is the shit I've said. And worse. The reason is because he built it. Not because I did. Not because commentators did. It's not some reputation built by other people lying about him. It's a reputation built by his own words, his own actions, his own character. And everybody going, dude, what the fuck are you? I'm just like that. That's him. So fuck Montagraph. Fuck settling. Fuck everything else. He built his own goddamn house. He can die in it when it burns to the fucking ground for all I care. Fuck this guy. He threatened to murder me in my hometown. He's threatened to stalk my family. Fuck Montagraph. I've never threatened him in any way at all. All I did was laugh at this retard. Because he is a retard. And David Schneider, I know that word hurts you. You're a retard too. Fuck you.